So I memorized all the information in anatomy and physiology to get an A. So it's mainly through active recall, which is the process of actively retrieving information from your memory. And research shows that active recall is the single most effective memorization technique. It also shows that it strengthens neural pathways as well as improves your long-term memory. And this can be done with flashcards, quizzes, or practice tests to make sure that you're learning your strengths and weaknesses. But this is exactly how I incorporate active recall as someone who doesn't really like flashcards that much. Take your textbook or your lecture slides and you'll go through them and you'll sort of take out your topics or your lecture slide titles and you'll turn those into questions. And then as you read through each section, you want to be picking out information that would answer the question that you made. And then when you're done going through that certain section, you want to look away and then you want to try to answer that question from your memory to see if you can hit off all those little check marks that you made that answered your question. And then if you're missing something like 4 or 5 times and you're having trouble getting in, this is your cue to start making a clue, whether that be a mnemonic or just a silly, funky way of connecting it with something that's familiar with you to help and strengthen a neural pathway to connect that.